I'm going to say, basically, your left foot is planted, Granny. You might have to do a weight shift, but other than that.
Cece, what you doing?
You like that right hand,
Nice.
More baskets.
Maybe that means we need to practice the left side more. Okay.
Nice. Air. Met.
Go.
Woo!
Ready, Granny? Granny. Go.
There's a bug on her.
Granny.
Just a moment.
What's she digging in there for?
Okay. Granny.
They always find teeniest tiny little holes and all.